Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to convert string to list in Python using map method. In previous video we had seen how to convert string to list using split method. In this video we will see using map method. So here we will see one simple example. As here I have written a string. So to convert this space separated string into the list, I have to use first split function. So right here my string str is equals to same string as declared, then dot split, and default value of this argument is white space. So this string is converted into the list itself by this space separated argument. Let's see what will be the output for this string. So I am printing this string as output. So let's see, and here is the output. This string, each of these elements which with space separated are converted into this element of this list. Now I want to again convert this each of these letters of these words into the elements of the another list. So I have to use here map function, which will take two arguments. One is a function and another is a argument is a this string. So let's write here. I am declaring here another variable as list str, which will take the converted list of this string, and I am here using a map function which takes two argument. One is function which works for this string. So the first argument is list as a function which converts this string into the list, and another argument is I have to pass this string as argument. So right here my str, and now print output as this string list str. Let's what will be the. So here is the output. Each of these letters from each of these elements is converted into the element of another list. So here we can see this let is split into the another three elements list. This us is converted into two elements, and so on. So in this way we can convert this string into the list using a map method. So thank you for watching this video, friends.